Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. Today we are going to make a delicious drink, Badam Milk. The preparation is pretty simple and easy to make at home. So please try this at your home and delight your kids. Let's start the preparation of Badam Milk. To make Badam Milk, we have almond shavings for garnish, saffron soaked in milk, cardamom powder, milk, sugar, soaked and peeled almonds. Boil the milk completely. While the milk is boiling, let's grind the almond into a coarse paste with the help of milk. Give a shot or two and then add the milk. Now the mixture is ready, let's add the mixture into the boiling milk. Mix it well and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now let's add sugar and stir it well. Now let's add saffron. The milk has started thickening and the raw flavor of almond and saffron has gone out. This is the perfect time to add the cardamom powder. Mix it well and switch off the gas. The badam milk is ready, let's serve it. Now the badam milk is ready, let's garnish with almonds. The hard badam milk is ready now. However, you can completely reduce the temperature, store it in the refrigerator and serve chilled. Now I am going to test it. As I said before, it is really delicious and I am sure your kids will love it. I hope you enjoyed my badam milk. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.